Good morning. Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
I'll have a sausage McMuffin with egg and cheese.
I'm probably making a huge mistake by trying to day trade McDonald's, but that's what this channel is about. It's about challenging ourselves to try to be better every day. And if we can day trade McDonald's, honestly, we can day trade any stock, because this stock, McDonald's, they don't have volume. There's like no data right here, right now. There's no data, there's no volume. This is a boomer stock. This is a 1985 Lotta, but hold on now, bear with me. It's a 1985 Lotta, but I just kitted it out with some turbos. You see that? Now we're going crazy, right? We took something that had 60 horsepower, now it's 75. Yes! Anyways, McDonald's. Why did I pick this stock? Because when I first started day trading, this was the stock, for whatever reason. I could have chosen any stock to trade. I traded McDonald's contracts, and I'm gonna be honest, I lost money. Because this stock sucks. Either it doesn't move, or it moves, but it goes in the opposite direction. You would think McDonald's is one of those things that would slowly, just continuously, gradually go up. And if you zoom out over the 5-year chart, sure, it does do that. It does go up. But intraday trading, dude, this thing can stay flat. It can just go down all day. I've seen days where it literally just starts negative and just goes negative the entire day. If you bought calls at any point, you lost. But we're here. We're going to try to trade this and see if we can pull a profit. The only issue I'm having right now is the data. There's virtually almost no data right now. I have the gamma, I have the delta, I have a little bit of net flow, a little bit of net drift, which doesn't actually work because the calls are minus 17K and the puts are 186K. So that actually helps me out a little bit, right? It's telling me that it wants to go down. But then I look at the chart and it's going up. You see what I'm saying right now? McDonald's is not an easy stock to trade. If we can do this, I'm telling you right now, if we can make a profit trading McDonald's, I'm going to go in the drive-thru and I'm going to get myself a delicious Big Mac. I said it. If I can pull a profit, I'm going to go help McDonald's out. I'm going to go bump their stock price up. Let's see if I can trade this. The volume right now is 500,000. This is going to be crazy. We're going to try our best. If I can pull a profit on this, then I'll be happy. Bro, who trades this? Please tell me, who trades McDonald's? Not only do you gotta be like 50 years old to trade this, but you gotta be bald. You gotta be straight bald to trade McDonald's, because I'm pulling out my hair watching this. This is boring. I'm literally, bro, I set the trade in, I put my trade in, and I got up. I don't do that. I never do that. I want to see what happens. I want to see why I was right. I want to see why I was wrong. I can't watch this. This is like watching paint dry. I would rather watch paint dry. I would rather paint my wall right now and watch it dry than to watch McDonald's stock move. Anyways, got into a position, right? 2 contracts because they're cheap. It was 200. I'll put it up on the screen. It was $2.25 average. 2 contracts. $450, right? I sold it for a $30 gain, and that was not even with a stop limit because I had no idea where to set the stop limit because the bid-ask spread on these contracts is like $40. So the ask was like, what was it? Like $2.10, and then, no, it was like $2.20, and then the bid was like $2.40. So no, it was $2.50. Bro, this is so bad. And then I was like, I tried to sell it for $2.50. That didn't work. So then I tried to sell it for $2.40 and that didn't work. And then I canceled it. And then I go on my legend and it said that the order was filled, which I'm not mad about. It's a $30 profit, a 6% profit intraday trading McDonald's. I don't know if I can do this again. I don't know if I can enter another position. Let me go back. Let me see. What is the volume? The volume right now on McDonald's stock is 1.4 million. Sounds like a lot, right? Imagine 1.4 million people trading stocks around. But in this world in 2025, that is nothing. That is a drop of water in the ocean. I'm going to try to get into another play. Let's try to not lose this $30.
Don't be scared to get to the money at all times.
I just closed out the second trade of the day. This time I bought a call option, actually 2 contracts of it. It was a $310 call. I spent $465 on it. I profited $45 or almost 10%. So you know what? I think I'm good. I'm proud of myself. I bought a put. I profited on that one. I bought a call. I profited on that one. There's really nothing else left for me to do. I'm not going to sit here and play an iron condor on this. But yeah, we did it. We traded McDonald's today. and we profited. That was the entire point of the day, right? We weren't trying to make $1 million. We were just trying to see, is it actually even worth it to trade McDonald's? And in my opinion, I'm still going to say no. I still don't think it's worth it. Even though I profited, it's just not fun. And I'm going to give you a few reasons, right? Number one is the volume. The volume is super low. I mean, there's not many people trading this. If you're investing into Walmart, great, right? Buy shares, hold it for like a few years, sell it later on. Great job, right? If you're day trading it, no way. No, there's not enough volume. And then the second thing is the bid-ask spread. It's very wide, even for the weeklies. I mean, you're talking like a $40, sometimes $50 difference. So let's say you're let's say you're asking $200. You want to buy a contract for $200. Well, the guy who's selling it to you, he wants $250. Now you have to come to a middle ground, and by the time you do that, the market has already moved. There was actually a situation I tried to get into calls before, even before I bought this one, and I couldn't do it because I was messing around with the bid-ask spread. I was just going up every $5. By the time I finally wanted like at least a decent entry, the market had already moved in the direction that I thought it was going to, so I just canceled the entire order. So the bid-ask spread is not great. The volume is not great. If you're going to trade, if you're going to day trade, do things that have high volume. Palantir, Nvidia, right? If you're going to play stocks that are not like SPX or QQQ or SPY, which I just love SPX personally, high volume, bid-ask spread is nice. It's just what I like. But is it worth it to trade McDonald's? Not really. Also, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments what stocks should I try to trade next. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.
Good afternoon. Thanks for choosing McDonald's. I apologize for your wait. Would you like to try our new McCrispy chicken strips using the mobile app today?
No, thank you. Could I just do a medium #1 with a Coke?
Absolutely. Anything else I can get for you?
And then a 10-piece nuggets with sweet and sour sauce.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
If everything's correct on your screen, 1656 first window, please.
Thank you.
I'm loving it.